How to fix verification code isn't receiving on Gmail when sign in Microsoft account on Windows. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google, search Microsoft verification code. In here, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Scroll all the way down till you find troubleshooting verification code issues. Scroll down and you'll find I'm not getting my verification code. You'll find different solution here. If you don't find any solution here or any solution does not work, and was this information helpful? Click on no. Add your experience, then add feedback, and you can write in here you are not receiving verification code and none of the solution works. And this is how to fix verification code not receiving on Gmail when signing into Microsoft account on Windows. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.